Hello all, my name is Kashan Khan. Actually, I faced infection in my eyes because of the contact lenses I was wearing. So I don't know how it happened. Maybe because of unhygiene. So I will recommend you all that don't use contact lenses much longer. Don't use it. Don't sleep while wearing it. Okay. I faced a lot of redness in my eyes. I can't open my eyes because of that. So I came to here, Kenia Eye Hospital. Anytime you face any redness, any irritation in your eyes, please visit the physicians. Okay, don't take it easy. Don't take it lightly. Maybe it can in future you can face a lot of any diseases. So please take care. Take care of yourself. Take care of lenses. Take care of health. And thank you, doctor. I visit here. Now I am okay. I am fine. I have taken 3 sessions and now I am healthy. My eyes are healthy. I am feeling much better, and thank you.